Hi guys, in this video i-review natin tong Kling AI. Isa siyang video generator na app, AI video generator na app. So I've been using this for a little bit over a week now. So maganda naman yung aking experience using this Kling AI app. If you're coming from my Facebook page, you can see yung mga other video na generate ko using this app. And so far, ang aking impression is it's the best option for AI video generation. But we'll try to review other apps next time. But for this episode, we'll look kung ano yung mga nagawa ko using this Kling AI. So, well, let's see a sample of my video generation. So, for example, this one, ang prompt ko is a muscular Mexican fisherman catching a mutant octopus realistic. So makikita nyo naman, although hindi ganun ka-clear yung facial, what you call this, yung parang structure ng octopus, makikita naman natin yung tentacles. And nakuha naman niya yung Mexican fisherman, muscular Mexican fisherman. So far, maganda naman yung naging response niya doon sa aking prompt. But we'll look in other examples katulad nito. A muscular Asian fisherman at the middle of the sea after catching a mutated fish with scary-looking humanoid face. Cinematic shot, ultra-realistic. So, makikita naman natin dito, yes, na-generate niya yung parang mutated na fish. Yung fisherman, Asian fisherman, muscular Asian fisherman, mukha naman siyang muscular and mukha naman siyang Asian. The only thing is, of course, yung fishing rod niya medyo mali yung pagkakaano, no? Parang syempre hindi siya yung parang realistic na nakuha na tama yung kanyang orientation, tama yung way niya, nung fishing, yung string nung fishing rod niya, parang sa ilalim ng gagaling. So, yun yung mga hindi pa nakuha niya na tama. But overall, ang ganda ng itsura ng waves, very realistic. Yung background niya, yung sea, maganda rin. I much prefer sana kung nasa boat to siguro, but siguro ang mali ko lang din, sana nailagay ko sa prompt na yung fisherman is nakasakay sa boat. But overall, maganda yung generation niya. So another example is this one. Setting is in ancient Egypt. Giant ancient Egyptians carrying big heavy stones to make the pyramids of Egypt. Other normal human workers are assisting them, make it realistic and cinematic. So far 100% nakuha niya lahat ng gusto kong makita doon sa aking prompt, no. So meron mga humans, normal human beings na makikita natin yung scale, no, between the giants and the human, nakuha niya. And carrying big heavy stones, kitang-kita naman, maganda. Very realistic din, no. And ang ganda nito, tinawan nyo, meron pang parang light doon na nagdi-diffuse para siyang kinuha talaga sa lens ng isang cinematic na camera. So far, ang ganda nung naging result nitong generation na to. Very close dun sa prompt ko, very close dun sa ini-imagine ko na image, na video and scene. So far, ang ganda talaga ng naging result nito. So, if you're wondering kung paano gumawa ng account, you can just register. You will have 466 credits. 366 credits like what I got when I signed up. So, 366 credits every month, free for the free account. So, every generation it will take up 40 credits for 10-second videos. For 5-second videos, actually it will only take up 20 credits. So paano naman mag-generate ng videos dito, no? So for example, punta lang kayo sa AI videos, text to video kung gusto niyo gamitin yung prompt using text, mag-generate ng video. You can also have image to video. But we'll go to the text to video option. So like what I did earlier, I just put my descriptions here, yung prompt ko, what I want to see in the generation. And doon naman sa settings, makikita nyo, merong creativity, may relevance. So if you move this to creativity, mas lalayo siya doon sa gusto nyo yung prompt, mas bibigyan nyo siya ng freedom na gawin yung gusto niyang gawin. Um, pag naman sa relevance, mas lalapit siya doon sa prompt na gusto nyo ibigay, na binibigay nyo sa kanya. Also, there's a standard mode and professional mode. We haven't tried the professional mode yet, but hopefully, in the next videos, we can try the professional mode. We'll try to sign up and for a paid account para matry natin lahat ng options. But for this video, di ba makikita nyo naman lahat ng pwede nyo magamit, magawa in a basic or free account. In terms naman sa aspect ratios, you have options of 16 by 9, 9 by 16, and 1 by 1 square format. And for yung mga paid models or paid accounts, you can use also camera movement. So we'll try this one hopefully next time. Negative prompt, ito yung kalimbawang ayaw nyo makita sa video. For example, yung nakalagay dito, animation, blur, distortion, disfigurement, low quality, collage, grainy, logos, abstract, illustrations, so on and so forth. So, halimbawa, kung may video kayo na ayaw nyo may kasamang animals, pwede nyo dito ilagay animals para wala siyang ilalagay na animals sa video nyo. So, when it comes naman sa mga plans, like we've discussed earlier, for free accounts, meron kang 366 free credits. But if you want to subscribe, so let's take a look at the monthly rates. 660 credits per month for $3.88, 3,000 credits for $12.88, and then naman kung 8,000 credits, $28 yan, 88 cents per month. So we'll try to see if you can sign up for this promos or for these packages, and then we'll try to discuss kung ano yung mga naging difference niya doon sa basic. So, kung titignan naman natin dito sa description, malalaman naman natin meron siyang, halimbawa for this pro account, yung may fast track generation. Actually, when I generate using the basic account, usually yung time is for 5 minutes. Pero pagka medyo busy yung server or maraming gumagamit ng server, I think around 1 hour is the longest na inantay ko for one video. So, if you're signed up for a pro account, siguro mas mabilis talaga yun. So, we'll see. So, hopefully, next time matry natin to. So, wala rin siyang watermark. Tapos, magagamit yung professional mode dun sa mga videos. Tapos, master shot and video extension. I'm not sure what this means. Image upscaling. So, pwede niyang i-improve yung images. So, priority access to new features. So, if there's a new feature, siguro mas mabilis yung makukuha if you're signed up with the pro or the premier account. So anyway guys, this is it. This is just a short video regarding do sa basic features ng Kling AI. Isa talaga siya sa pinakamagandang nagamit ko when it comes to video generation so far. And in the next episode, we'll try to review other options for video generations using AI. So if you like my content, please do subscribe. If you're watching in my YouTube channel, if you're in my Facebook, please click the follow button, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.